So hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how can we get this Yoast SEO plugin. Yes, Yoast SEO plugin for nearly free. Not absolutely because it would cost you some dollars. Some few, not many. And if you go to the official website of Yoast SEO, see this. Just come on the official website. Just type Yoast SEO and just click enter and see. Here's the official website, and on this website you can see that you have to pay nearly 89 bucks, yes, in $89 every year to enjoy this plugin, unlimited access. And also you have excluding VAT, that is a tax system. Okay, but on this website, uh, let us keep that website aside and let me give you a brief introduction about what is this Yoast SEO plugin. See, if you are a digital marketer or blogger, then you must be really aware about this plugin. And this plugin helps you to rank on Google, means to get you organic traffic. So a Yoast SEO plugin is a must, and by default this Yoast SEO plugin is installed in WordPress. Not in some cases, in most of the cases you have to you get the free version, and for the premium version you have to pay $89. So let's see how can we get this free version. So come on to my website, type just moneydeck.xyz and click enter. See, this is my official website where I post various content about digital marketing, and also this provide various scripts, mobile app templates, themes, and plugins. This is my website. You can view this site, and also do subscribe to this newsletter because you'll get various email marketing toolkits, digital marketing toolkits, and various others, affiliate marketing toolkits, including many more toolkits. You'll get it apps for absolutely free. So do subscribe it and win gift card. That's simply a just close it now. And for now, we'll come on to this shop menu, and the shop menu, just click on WordPress. For now, just click on shop and see. Here I have three products. First is a all-in-one WP migration plugin. The second is the Elementor Pro plugin and the Yoast SEO plugin. See, the all-in-one WP migration plugin would cost you $669, but I am providing it only for $9, and the Elementor will cost you $49 monthly, and I'm providing it for only $9. And the same for this, it would cost you $89 for SEO, Yoast SEO, and I'm providing it only for $9. So you can see it's a quite affordable price. And if you are really willing to start an online business as a blogging and make a career in blogging, then you must definitely get this. Just click on this Yoast SEO. SEO made easy, everything, vagera. You can just read it here. I've given a brief introduction about what is Yoast SEO and how to use it, and you can also visit the official website to see what does it really do. And there's also a free version of this SEO plugin. You can go to a WordPress dashboard, and under plugins section you can add new plugin and search for this word Yoast SEO plugin, and you can enjoy the free version until you need this premium version. I mean, it has the internal backlinking. If your post sometimes get deleted, it automatically redirects your users to that post, to another post, or to the trash section, or we can say that it's really good. So just click on add to cart. Just wait until it loads my cart, and see, is cart is the product is added to the cart. Just click on view cart. See, you just need to pay the fee of this plugin. No need of any GST, nothing. Just you have to pay this, and click on proceed to checkout. If you have any coupon codes, then you can surely apply it. Just let me go back one sec. If you have any coupon codes, then you can surely apply here. For example, money deck. This is not a coupon, but I'm just showing you how to apply a coupon applied but obviously it's not a coupon. it's just a dummy value. So just click on proceed to checkout. And in the upcoming videos I will be providing this plugin for absolutely free. I would be providing a coupon code only for few users. If this video gets more than 100 views, then I would be definitely providing a coupon by using which you can get this plugin for absolutely free. I mean absolutely free. You no need to pay any single dollar. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, like this video, and turn on the notifications if you really want to get this plugin and new updates about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and making money online. So uh, click on the proceed to checkout and enter your email address. This is my dummy email, so don't worry about this anything. If you want any delivery, sorry, the notes, any personal notes, sorry, not any whatever say, just enter your card number, your CVV, and the expiry. And this is the newsletter pop-up. So just, if you have already subscribed, then click on the cancel button and just enter your card details and place order. I mean, you are well aware how to make a payment, so I won't describe much in detail. And but friends, we'll end this video here. And just wait a minute. Before ending this video, let me just describe more about the SEO plugin. See, this SEO plugin would cost you, I mean, just click on the website, coming back to this website, and use SEO features. REST API, SEO workouts, estimated reading time, Elementor integration, Zapier integration, enhanced Slack sharing, keyword data with SEMrush. I mean, these all features, amazing features. Okay, huh? I am a user of this SEO Premium, so use SEO Premium. So I am well aware about this plugin and the importance of this plugin. So before, before you buy this plugin, I really want you to just go to this official website, download the free plugin, and use it for some days. And if you really like this plugin, then you can definitely upgrade to the pro plan. And by using this, see, on the official website, it would cost you nearly, it would cost you $89 per year, and I'm providing it for only $9. So you see, $80 off. So $80 and in $80 you can just buy a new hosting, new domains, new scripts. Actually, you just need to buy a hosting and script domains. All the PHP scripts I will be uploading in the upcoming videos, so just stay tuned. Okay, so in this video we'll end it here. Till then, see ya, goodbye.